Hey everyone, welcome to yet another room tour. So we are staying at Sapphire Falls at Universal Orlando Resort, and we have a Lagoon room, high floor room, a lot of rooms. So we're going to start off in the bathroom area. So you have separate bathroom area with a sink. There are power outlets on the side, shaving mirror, and this really nice changing brightness mirror, which is quite funky. Toilet, nobody wants to see that. Big walk-in shower with a seat, because you know big people need somewhere to sit when they're having a shower. You then got the entrance area, really nice tile mosaic patterns on the floor. Inside your main wardrobe, you have hairdryer, extra towels, iron, because everyone loves to do ironing on holiday. Really big safe, and as you can see, you can fit a really old laptop into there. Ironing board to help with your ironing if you're not that lazy. I don't know what that's called, but it's to put your suitcase on. Looking into the bedroom area, you've got two double beds. Nice, comfy duvet, pillows, sheets. It's to be expected, really. Bedside lights, clock radio. I've unplugged it because I don't live in the 90s anymore, and a telephone from the 80s. Again, I've unplugged that because I don't live in the 80s. You've got power at the bedside just on this side, but there is a nice little plug socket down there because everyone loves a lovely plug socket. Looking around to TV area, decent sized TV. I like to overestimate my sizes, so I'm going to say it's 42 inches. Keurig coffee maker. I'm guessing that's like an American version or a cheaper version of Nespresso. It actually makes a half decent cup of coffee though, so I've been quite happy with that. Mini bar. Nothing inside it, but you can fit beers, sodas, that kind of stuff in there. Your customary dents in the table where people have been opening bottles. In fact, if they just provided a bottle opener, that wouldn't happen. You've got a desk area for people that like to work. Again, why would you work on holiday? But there's a desk there. Possibly the most expensive water in history. $7.50 for a bottle of water. I'm guessing it's probably not from Fiji. You've then got a small chair, another double bed, and then outside, this is our view. So like I said at the start, this is a lagoon view, so looking down on the lagoon. Only slight downside is those boats honk their horns literally every 5 minutes till about midnight. Doesn't really bother me, but it might bother you if you've got young kids. View of the theme park over there. You can't really hear any of the rides from there, so that's not really a noise problem, nor is the noise from the road. So overall, yeah, this is a really decent sized room. Really happy with the quality of the furnishings, really happy with the comfort. Maid service has been really good. She's restocked everything every morning. She's not missed a single thing. Only downside I would say is probably the air conditioning. It is quite noisy, but when it's 35 degrees outside, you've got to have air conditioning on. Thank you very much, and I'll see you all soon.